how are you? If you are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Kathy and this is my DIY channel. On this channel, we do a lot of fun projects on a budget. So stick around, hit the subscribe button and automatically become my bestie. So what do I have for you today? Well, I'm gonna show you how to create a cute basket of roses out of sacks. I went to a Target dollar spot yesterday and I found so many cute little things for back to school, little teacher's gifts. Like this little tag says, "My future is looking sharp with you as my teacher." Isn't that adorable? At first I was thinking I could do a wreath or a little something like that for a teacher, but then I noticed all these adorable sacks. And my daughter said, "Mom, I'd rather take something smaller to school than a wreath." And I had done many wreaths. You can look them up. I'm going to link them below, like an apple wreath if you like to do that for a teacher. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create adorable basket of roses out of cute little sacks that they sell at Target. Also, they have many adorable ones at dollar stores too. So either way, this is a fun, cute idea, not just for a teacher, actually for a baby shower or anyone. So let's get started. Let me quickly show you what they had at Target dollar spot. Look at all these sacks. They had so many choices. I couldn't decide which ones to take. And then all these gift toppers. Roses are red, apples are too. Can't wait to spend the school year with you. How adorable is that? And then these wooden tags, very nice quality for $1. Plus some wooden pointers for the teachers. Best Teacher Awards. And then they had these signs. These would have been perfect for a teacher's wreath. You can even put the teacher's name on that little blackboard right there. And then they had a nice selection of coffee mugs and mason jars colored like red apples. I think any one of these small gifts is special. You know, just shows teachers how much we appreciate them, right? So here are the sacks that I picked. In addition, I got the pencils. They will be stems for our roses. The wooden gift tag for decoration. A small container or a basket. This one is from Dollar Tree. I think 3 or 4 for $1. Some leaves for decoration. These felt leaves are from Dollar Tree. Also need some ribbon to tie the bag. And a piece of floral foam to hold the roses. I also got the letter stickers to put teacher's name on the container. And I can tell you right now, the little hands are better with this than ours. So my daughter's doing that for her teacher. And, you know, that's a fun way to include your child in the gift making process. And don't ask me to pronounce this name. All right, so let's put the gift together, and I meant to show you this, guys. Look at the foam difference. When you buy pre-cut versus the whole block, you're getting like 25% more. So maybe it's worth cutting it yourself. What do you think? Did you guys notice that lately things are getting smaller and sizes are shrinking? So we're gonna need just one small piece for this container, and I'm gonna use some hot glue to secure it. Let's not forget to remove the price tags and simply roll the 2 sacks together from tiptoes up, just like so. Then fold it over and you have a little rosebud. Very simple. And then you just insert the pencil. Let me show you this one more time. You can see it better with this color sacks. As you roll it up, you can see the red heel. That's like an obvious petal right there. And you just roll up the bottom, just like so. And you just form the rose petals. As you can see, the second sack, you can fold it over in there. So you have a second petal. You have one on the outside, one on the inside. Just like so. You can just play with it a little bit and form a nice distinction. Isn't that nice? Doesn't it resemble a rose? And then again, just find a hole and insert your pencil. The green one actually comes with the alphabet letters, which I did not notice before. Okay, one more time. We roll it over, and as you can see, the heel right there, it becomes a very nice petal. We fold the sack over. You might want to insert even the pencil right there, since you can see the hole, and then fix the rose petals. And you see the second sack is just like that additional rose petal right there. Just fix it up. What is the meaning of the yellow rose? I forget. I actually just Googled it, and it says that yellow rose sends a message of appreciation. How perfect. And as you can see, I took out the leaves, and I'm just inserting one behind each rose. Just inserting in the sack right there. And it stays in nicely. There's no need to use tape or pins or anything like that. I just want this to be very easy to use, you know. The teacher just pulls it apart and can take it right there. One more thing, I am making a little stake out of the pencil tag and a pencil. Just adding some hot glue behind it to secure it, just like so. That shrink is not necessary. And I also cut off the prices on all the tags and decide to insert them in the basket, just in case if the teacher would like to return or exchange on any of these tags, the tags are right there. And then the fun part of arranging the roses in the basket. So I put in the stake and then just play around with the placement of the roses. And then add some Excelsior filler to cover that green foam. If you like, you can add some of those pomegranates from Dollar Tree that resemble little apples, any extra pencils, leaves, anything that you like. Here's the look at our roses. I think they came out very pretty, and they make a great gift, really, not just for a teacher, for anyone, don't you think? All we have to do now is just put it in a plastic bag. Tie it at the top and tape those corners to the back. If you like, you can decorate it with a nice leaf at the top. Add an extra pencil, whatever you feel like it. And it's ready! Would you like to see one more quick gift idea? For the math teacher, who's a man, we decided to buy a coffee cup. And can you tell that this is graph paper pattern? It was $3 at the Target dollar spot. We also picked up one more cute tag. And I printed teacher's name of the computer, and I want to transfer it on one of those chalkboard tags that you purchased a pack of 20 at the craft store. And if you had not seen my transfer technique, I just covered the back of the printout with the chalk. Then I align it with a little chalkboard and trace the letters. Ta-da! Everything is nice and even. That's why I love this technique. Of course, you can freehand it as well. And all we do here is just wrap the gift up in a plastic bag. We're gonna add that special little wooden tag. Just like that. We have some extra pencils. Hashtag teacher's life. And we're gonna tape it and tie it up. Add any additional ribbons or decor that you like. And here it is, just a coffee cup, yet it is with a special personal touch. Hope these little gifts will bring big smiles to our new teachers and show them that we really appreciate what they do. All right, my besties, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Turns out only 25% of my viewers are subscribed, so I wish that number was a little bit higher. So if you like my videos, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And we have a lot of fun projects on the budget here. So hope to see you next time. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.